Overshifting can stretch cables, damage selector components, and, in the worst case, hurt the transmission. That's why we developed the K-tuned Shift Stop kit for the RSX V4 billet shifter, giving you a hard mechanical stop, cleaner shift control, and added protection when you're driving hard. We also have Shift Stop kits available for the 10th gen billet and universal race shifter. Today, we're going to show you how to install it and dial it in properly. For this install, you'll need 3 Allen keys, 5/32, 1/8, and 3/32. Or you can use the K-tuned multi-tool that comes included with the RSX billet shifter. For the purpose of this video, we removed the shift lever to give you a better view of the install. However, the RSX top plate is designed as a 2-piece assembly, so it can still be installed with the shift lever left in place. Remove the 4 screws holding the original top plate in place. Slide the U-shaped section of the top plate off first, then replace the remaining piece with the one included in the Shift Stop kit. Now, slide the new U-shaped top plate onto the shifter and secure it using the original screws. With the top plate installed, place the stop plates onto each side. Thread the screws in by hand and leave them loose enough that the stop plates can still move for adjustment. To set the front stop plate, shift into 3rd gear. You'll notice that both stop plates have small teeth on the underside. These teeth fit precisely into the grooves on the top plate, allowing for small, incremental adjustments depending on your throw setting. You don't want the plate too close, and you don't want it too far away. Aim for approximately the thickness of a dime between the stop plate and the shift rod. Once the spacing is correct, tighten the screws to lock the front stop plate in place. Next, shift into 4th gear and repeat the same process for the rear stop plate. Set the gap, confirm the plate position, and tighten the screws once everything is properly aligned. After both stop plates are installed and tightened, run the shifter through all gears to make sure engagement is smooth and that the shift rod only contacts the stop plates under excessive force. That's it! The Shift Stop kit is now installed, and you've added an extra layer of protection during hard race-style shifting. Get yours now at ktoon.com or through your local K-tune dealer, and stay tuned for other shifter accessories like our 1, 2, and 5th gear lockouts.